I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on two monitors. First, let's get your system ready. Begin by ensuring your computer's display settings correctly identify both of your monitors. You'll want to extend your desktop across these two screens, not duplicate it, to create a wider viewing area. Also, take a moment to update your graphics card drivers. This ensures the best possible performance and compatibility for your dual monitor setup. Now, let's dive into the game settings. Launch Euro Truck Simulator 2 and head straight to the Graphics Options menu. Here, you'll need to select the display adapter that encompasses both of your monitors. Crucially, adjust the resolution to reflect the combined width of your two screens, while keeping the height consistent. For example, if you have two full high-definition monitors, your resolution might be 3840 by 1080 pixels. This stretches the game across both displays. Next, we'll fine-tune the display for an optimal experience. Within the game's graphics settings, locate the multi-monitor mode option. You'll typically want to select the wide or triple monitor preset, even with just two screens, to achieve a properly stretched view. After this, take time to adjust your field of view and user interface scaling. This ensures that the game world looks natural and that all on-screen information is easily readable across your expanded display. Finally, let's optimize your overall experience. Experiment with various user interface scaling options to ensure that elements like your speed and navigation are clearly visible without being too small or stretched. Adjusting your in-game camera position can also significantly enhance immersion, giving you a more realistic view from the truck's cabin. With these adjustments, you can fully enjoy the expanded field of view, making your virtual trucking journeys more engaging and realistic across your two monitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.